Morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. Today is Sunday, January 5th, 2025. Happy New Year. And I'm outside right now just running some errands. And I'm talking to you today because there is a snowstorm that will be arriving at midnight tonight into early tomorrow morning, and it'll be snowing all day tomorrow. So just wanted to show you kind of what the road looks like. I'm in a parking lot right now, the day before the snowstorm hits. All of the roads have been treated with chemical salts and other types of various chemicals to help the snow melt faster so that people are able to get back on the roads quicker and in a safe manner. So I'll insert some clips of that here, and I will see. So the temperatures are sub-freezing right now. It's very cold outside. I've got my gloves and hat on. I'll show you how the roads are being treated to help the snow melt faster and make sure that the roads are safe for everyone. And I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, it is the next day. So today is Monday, January 6th, 2025, and it is snowing. So I saw you guys yesterday and mentioned that the snowfall would start around midnight last night / early this morning, and it did. It started snowing at around midnight, and right now it is about 2:30 p.m. and the snowfall accumulation, sorry, the snow is blowing into my eyes, is about 5 to 6 inches. So we expect to get another 1 to 2 inches by nightfall today. So I'll give you a final update on the total snow accumulation once the snow has stopped falling. But in the meantime, let me just show you what my neighborhood looks like. So lots of snow on the road. All the cars also have a ton of snow on them. So school was canceled today because of the snow. So because it is January 6th and Christmas and New Year's just happened, the students' winter break ended today and they were supposed to go back to school today, but because of the snow, they did not go back to school and the school was canceled. Given the amount of snow that we're getting, my best guess is that school is going to be canceled tomorrow as well. Most offices were also closed today. People are still expected to be working from home, of course, but they were not required to go in person due to all the snow on the roads, because this is the road right now, what you're seeing where all of the cars drive. And as you can see, the conditions are not good. The snow hasn't been cleared in these roads within the neighborhood, so it's hard for people to get out and about. So this is what my street currently looks like. So I'm gonna walk towards the main road now and show you what that looks like. So that is one of the larger roads that goes between some of the communities here, and that one has been cleared. A lot of the snow shoveling trucks have been coming by and clearing up those roads, but they have not gotten to the internal roads in our neighborhood yet. So this is what the main road looks like. There's a car driving by. They've got snow all over. And I see one of the snow shoveling trucks. coming by. So let me walk over there and give you a closer look. Alright, so we're coming up on another road within the community, and we've got a snow shoveling truck coming by, and they've just started the clearing efforts here. So as you can see, even though the truck has come by and attempted to shovel the snow, it's still sticking to the road pretty well, because this is like a combination of wet and dry snow. So it's not completely powdery and light and fluffy, but it's also not completely packed and dense. So we're seeing some residue left over from the shoveling. They're gonna have to do a couple of passes over this road in order to get it completely perfect and snow free, but that is a lot of effort. So they usually only do like 3 to 4 passes and then leave the road as it is and let nature do the rest and the snow melt on its own. I absolutely love how the sky looks when it snows. We're expected to get, like I said before, 1 to 2 more inches of snowfall by tonight. So that means that today evening, when it's dark outside, it's still going to be snowing, which means that the sky is still going to be this beautiful dusty gray color even in the evening. So I'll show you that as well. It's really, really pretty when you go outside at like 10 p.m. at night, and the sky looks a little bit darker than this, but quite similar to what it looks like right now. And the reflection of the snow also contributes to the lightness that fills the sky. So that is the playground near my house. Let me zoom in here and show you what it looks like. 2:50 p.m. Okay, so this is the playground near my house. It's covered with snow on the top of the swimming pool and all the benches, as well as the slide and the monkey bars and everything over there. So no kids are playing outside right now, although they usually do come outside and do some sledding or make snowmen and that sort of thing. But as of right now, I don't really see too many people outside, so I'll walk around and see if I can find anyone. Oh, just as I said that, I saw a group of these young boys over there. So it looks like they have their snow shovels out. So maybe their parents asked them to shovel the driveways and clear out the snow in front of their house. Alright, update. So the kids that I saw earlier are not trying to clear the snow in front of their house, but rather other people's houses. So they have what appears to be a snow shoveling business. So the idea there is that you go up to people's houses, knock on their door, ask if they would like their driveway shoveled, and if so, they pay you a certain amount in order for that to get done. So that's what's happening.
Are you vlogging?
I am.
Can I get in the vlog?
Sure, you want to be in the vlog? Okay.
Are you famous?
I'm not famous.
Add me on
Hi.
Instagram.
Do you guys want to introduce yourselves?
Ilias _he
Yo,
on
get out.
Instagram. Sheila Zaza1 on TikTok. Add people.
All right. So what are you guys doing today?
We trying to make money by shoveling
Okay.
driveways.
Makes sense.
Are you
How's it going?
We got like $50 each, but he got $5 because he just got here.
Okay.
Are you just a professional vlogger?
Huh?
You're a professional vlogger?
I don't know about professional, but I'm not that many. Yeah.
You just vlog for fun?
I just do it for fun. Yeah.
How'd you get that?
I bought it.
How much was that?
The whole setup this here was around 800.
God damn.
Yeah.
So what are you, high school?
No, I
graduated?
actually work. Well, that was interesting. It's nice to see that they're trying to do something productive today with their day off from school. It is cold outside though, so I don't know how long they're planning on being outside, but I wish them all the best in their snow shoveling endeavors. They're the siblings of the kids who are snow shoveling, which is why all the screaming's going on. But I found my neighbor's dog, Kiki. Kiki! Hi! Hi, how are you? Hi, Kiki! Oh my gosh, you're shaking! Come on! Oh no! Alright, so I'm gonna do somewhat of a fit check, I guess. I've got my fluffy earmuffs on, as well as some gloves. Got a thick jacket with a ton of layers on inside, same thing with the pants. And then I've got boots with leg warmers inside, and they're long enough to counteract the depth of the snow. And yeah. It is really beautiful if you can't tell from the video. The trees all have bits of snow on them that just look beautiful. I have yet to encounter any nice icicles like I did last year, but I will be on the hunt for those and see if I can show you any. Let's see, the snow is fluffy, and like I mentioned, it's like half wet, half dry, so it's not exactly packable into a snowball, but it still sticks together enough that you could build a snowman easily if you wanted to. But I am not going to be building a snowman today. Maybe I will tonight once the snow has calmed down a bit and the snowfall has reduced. But yeah. So here's a closer look at the snow on the trees. It's very sporadic. It's spread out, so it's not like the entire tree is covered with snow, but different parts of each of the branches, and the overall effect is just beautiful. This one is a very tall tree right up here, but so these trees are what are called evergreens, and evergreen trees are usually characterized by thick, needly looking pine needles. So this one is a pine tree right here. There are other types of evergreen trees as well, but the whole concept, as you can tell by the name, is that these trees are green even in the winter time, when most other trees, such as those ones right there, are lying dormant and waiting for spring, so they've lost all their leaves for the winter. But evergreen trees are green year-round, and all Christmas trees that you see are evergreens, but they're usually smaller than this. Okay, next I'm gonna take you through a little, I like to call it a tree corridor / secret garden-esque place that's right next to my house. It's essentially between the fence of my community and my neighbor's house, and it's just filled with these trees that are kind of overgrown and not maintained very well, but when the snow falls on them, it is just absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna show you that. Walking through the snow right now. This snow is fresh and undisturbed, so you can see how deep my foot is sinking in to the snow. That's almost up to this part of the boot, and so that is easily 5 to 6 inches like I mentioned earlier. So can't wait to see what the total snowfall is. Like, in theory it's nice, right? You don't have to go to school, you don't have to go to work, you can enjoy this beautiful spectacle of nature. But then comes the fun part, which is the cleaning and like the 1 to 2 weeks after the snow falls, when you have to walk to wherever you need to go. Even just walking to your car can sometimes be a struggle, because as the snow starts to melt, it refreezes overnight due to the low temperatures, leading to what's known as black ice. Very dangerous. People slip and fall all the time. But I love, love, love how these trees look. I mean, it's beautiful. And this one here has got these beautiful red berries. It looks so pretty. Let me see if I can get closer. But yeah, welcome to my neighborhood winter wonderland. I think I'm gonna head inside now because my hands are freezing, but I will see you later today, and I'll be back outside showing you what the snow looks like in the evening. So I'll see you then. All right, it is later in the day. It's around 7:15 p.m. right now, and as you can see, I'm outside and it is still snowing. The total snowfall so far has been around 6 to 7 inches, according to official meteorology reports. So that is the snowfall as of 7:15 p.m. today. Let me show you what the sky looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. Can you see the snowflakes? So this is the sky at 7:15 p.m. during the winter time when it's snowing. Normally it is very, very dark, almost pitch black outside at this time. And instead we have this beautiful grayish, bluish, pinkish sky. So a snow truck did come by earlier today and shovel all of the snow up to the end there. But as you can tell by my footprints, it has snowed another 1 to 2 inches since then. So there's been a bit more accumulation. Last time we spoke, I said the accumulation was around 5 to 6 inches. Now it's around 6 to 7 inches. So the snow is still coming down pretty hard, not as bad as it was earlier. It just seems that way in the camera due to the wind just pushing it towards the camera lens. But overall, it's been a pretty nice snow day. The streets look really pretty too. We turn this way. So they've officially announced that schools are closed tomorrow, and my work has advised against people coming in person just due to the snowfall. So kids get an even more extended winter break, so they're all super excited about that. But let's just stand here for a moment and enjoy the serene. So this is what it looks like when it snows at night. I think I'll conclude the video here. It is still very cold. It's freezing out here, so I'm gonna head back inside. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Snowflakes dancing, winter's here. Laughing and cheering, full of cheer. Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Rolling snowballs, big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground. Carrot for the nose, pull for